Hey guys, today I'm excited to show you how to get unlimited coins in GoodShort. Take a look at my account. You can see I've got unlimited coins right here. I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, making it super simple to follow. Be sure to watch the video all the way through so you don't miss any key details. Get your device ready and let's get started. Before diving in, let's go over a couple of important steps for iOS users. Android users can skip ahead to the main installation instructions. iOS users, open your settings, navigate to General, and tap on Background App Refresh. Ensure that it's set to Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. This allows the app to update and function properly in the background. Next, head back to Settings, select Battery, and make sure Low Power Mode is turned off. Disabling this feature is crucial, as it can affect the app's performance. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set to proceed with the installation. Now, let's move on to the next step. Open your browser and visit appbinge.com, a reliable source for various modded apps. Use the search bar to type GoodShort and select it from the results. A detailed page with information such as the download count and community reviews will pop up. To start the download, simply click the Download Now button. The process is fast, and you'll see a confirmation message once the installation is complete. If you don't see it immediately and you're using the site for the first time, you may need to download some free additional files. Don't worry, clear instructions provided on the screen will guide you through this simple and safe process. Once all the necessary files will be downloaded, the installation will finalize. I've tested it and everything works perfectly. And that's all you have to do to get unlimited coins in GoodShort! Thanks for sticking around until the end of the video. If you found this guide helpful and everything works smoothly, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, drop a comment below and I'll be happy to help. Thanks again, and see you next time.